Hey Doodle Lovers, I have Harper's darling little F1 Goldendoodles here. They are so fun and playful, and they are just loving life and running around. So I wanted to show you each one of them. They're kind of hard to peg down when they're running around playing. This is Thor here. He is very adventurous and just fun and playful. Look how he's just such a little lover, huh? He just wants to love. He's just so sweet. He is a beautiful dark red F1. They will all have wavy coats. He is kind of the mid-range in the litter. And we have darling little Vision here. He is the little runt of the litter. And he is very small. He will be the one around 20 pounds in the litter. The rest of them will be between 30 and 40 pounds. So this is Vision here. He is also a dark red, and as you can see, he is about half the size as his big brothers. So Vision and Thor. Now I have here Hulk and Captain. Hulk is our big boy. He is so big and chunky and lovable and sweet. He has got a playful personality as well. He's a dark red. He just has that beautiful square boxy Goldendoodle face. They all just do. And we have Captain. He is our little bit more of our just kind of chill, kind of likes to watch what's going on. He does love to, you know, get going and playing with his brothers, but he's the first one to just want to be snuggled in my arms or just being happy to just be laying there. He's a little bit more on the sweet, tender-hearted side, little Captain. And as you can see, Hulk is a lover too. They just love their people, and they love when they're all playing with each other. Captain and Hulk here. Here is Hawkeye and Iron Man here. Hawkeye is one of the bigger boys as well. He is sweet and just kind of mellow. Look how sweet he is. And we have Iron Man. He is the second smallest in the litter. His coat is coming in a little bit more wavy. Hawkeye's is also a little bit more wavy. Iron Man is kind of that mid-size range here, as you can see. Iron Man is very playful and friendly. He's kind of just fun and loves to kind of be the first one going, but he is also very sweet, as you can see. He just will snuggle right up to us and love on us too, huh? Hi. These guys are so cute. These guys are our F1 mini medium litter, 20 to 30 pounds, except for Vision will be on that smaller 20-pound range. Just sweet little boys. It's been so fun to have the Avengers litter all just be little boys and be rough and tumble, and we just are loving these babies. They are 6 weeks old. They are going to be meeting their forever families next week. We do have a few more deposits available on this litter if you're interested, and we will next weekend be showing which ones are still available. These are Harper's Mini Goldendoodles F1 Mini Medium Litter.